In today's video, you are going to see a war of some of the best flexing machines on the planet. It's nuts! Except for the Bronco Sport. We didn't get the Bronco Sport out here.
Canceled.
But today we have got 6th gen Broncos going against classic Broncos, going against full-size Broncos, going against each other in this big mangled mess of something that we like to call flex ed. And this year, ladies and gentlemen, we are introducing a brand new category to flex ed, which we are very excited about, and we're calling it prison rules.
I'm Prison Mike. I'm here to scare you straight.
Now, some of you at home may be asking, what is prison rules? But we're here to explain it to you. All the past flex ed, we have had you keep all 4 tires in contact with something, whether the ramp or the ground. You couldn't lift the tire. Once you did, we'd back you back down, take your measurement, call it a day. John's your uncle. Is that what they say? John's your uncle?
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
This year, we're throwing that rule out the window if you want. It's kind of however brave you're feeling like. If you got testosterone beating through your chest and you want to get up that ramp as high as you can go without the limitations of gravity, then you're free to go for it, folks. So we're gonna see a lot of 3-wheeling, maybe some 2-wheeling. Maybe I'm gonna go up the ramp if I get peer pressured into it. I don't know. We're gonna see. Stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun video. And also, big shout out to the Colorado Bronco Club for providing this beautiful ramp. Rumor has it there's gonna be 2 more feet for this ramp next year, so flex ed, it's a thing.
Inches.
76 inches for the Outer Banks. Everybody give it up for the Outer Banks. All right, Amanda, the first woman going up the RTI ramp. Let's hear it for Amanda, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer her on as she crawls up the ramp. Come on, everybody. Woo-woo, go Amanda. 80 inches on the RTI ramp. Give it up for Amanda, everybody. Let's see what he could do. This is it, folks, the moment of truth.
83.
83, give it up for the 6th gen Bronco. That is not bad at all. We've got another 6th gen. Make a noise if you think that this is gonna beat the 83 inches. I think it needs to beat the 83 inches.
83 again. We got another 83.
83 inches, what are we gonna, I think everybody's gonna have to go for prison rules because we've got ties for days. As far as I can tell, this is our first Luber Bronco. Let's see what he's got. Make some noise for him, folks. Woo-woo! Steady as she goes, folks. What do we got, Tyler?
93.
93 inches. Give it up for him, everybody. We've got the next Bronco going up the ramp. Let's give him some motivation, everybody. Woo-hoo! Not looking too shabby up there. What do we got, Tyler?
96.
96. All right, everybody give it up for the white Bronco. All right, folks, this is a full-size Bronco, 2nd gen with coil springs in the rear, I'm told. I also wasn't told the 2nd gen was doing prison rules, so let's hear it. Make some noise for the 2nd gen, everybody. Woo-woo! We've got 111 inches for the 2nd gen. Make some noise. Cameras are out, folks. This young man is not known to back away from a challenge. We got 118 inches, make some noise. Let's see how this two-door does go in prison rules. Uh-oh, folks. Winch support is brought to you by Mile Marker, everybody. Make some noise if you're impressed with the two-door so far, everybody. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's nuts. It's nuts. And he's driving a manual, everybody. Give it up for the manual. I wish you guys had the view that I did. There's literally 3 feet of air underneath that rear passenger tire. It's kind of nuts. 118 inches, everybody. Give it up for the two-door. Alrighty, folks. The Bronco Raptor is going prison rules, so let's hear it for the entertainment today. Come on, everybody's a little more ballsy with the winch line. We've got our first bit of tire lift here, folks. The anticipation starts to build. Okay, we've transferred weight. 121 inches for the Bronco Raptor. Everybody give it up. We've got Bronco going up the ramp. We've got the prisoners. Everybody make it up for Bronco. Man, that's making me nervous. 1.5 feet in the rear of lift. This is crazy, folks. He's still going. He's definitely in a dangerous position. Let's see if he can make it down the ramp. 129 inches, folks. There we go. We've got a new all-time. Here we go. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Frick, dude. Right there? You say more? No more, come on. Is my lower tire off the ground? Your other tire's about that far off the ground. Yeah. Go ahead and measure it. Right there? Yeah. 150. That's a good number. It's respectable. Let's see what the Broncodozers got. If you guys are liking what you see so far, make some noise! $151 inches. 151 inches for the Broncodozer. Make it up, everybody! All right, we have got another Raptor coming up, folks. It is Terry, the ultimate king of Flex Ed to date. His blue early Bronco has made it to the top of the ramp. He has said multiple times that he would drive off of it one of these days. We're still waiting for him to fulfill that promise. With that said, everybody keep an eye on the Raptor. Let's see how high he gets. Little pucker moment. Better tipping that way than the other. Let's go, Terry. Get up that ramp. Folks, I've never seen Terry this determined. The speed going up the ramp, the focus, the fear. Oh, this is nuts, Terry. This is nuts, Terry. Looks like we're taking a measurement, folks.
157.
157. Can he get off the ramp safely? Terry is a seasoned rock crawler, enjoying the perks of air conditioning. On the ramp. We've got a new top score, everybody! Amy, we've got some questions for you while Tyler's getting higher and higher on the ramp. How many times has Tyler rolled at this point?
He has rolled twice and flopped once.
This is just crazy. And everybody is moving out of the way, as you guys can see. Hold on, who's gonna measure? Someone needs to measure. Here we go, Grayson's on it. Everybody make some noise for Tyler! 165, Grayson? 165? This is crazy, folks! Make some noise if you think Bronco folks are nuts! Woo, woo, woo! Pure blind, everybody going up the ramp. Oh, we're getting something gnarly here, folks. All right, we are not done, folks, with pure blind. The mile marker winch is getting hooked up. There it is, everybody! The 12,000-pound winch has saved the day. We would have had some carnage.
169 inches.
169 inches. Everybody make some noise! After Flex Ed officially wrapped up, we gathered the winners in each class. There were a couple of ties, but we had the winners battle it out for placement with some classic dispute settlement games. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. We had a lot of awesome prizes from some great companies, and we appreciate all the vendors on the screen for being a part of Flex Ed 2023. Alrighty folks, there you go, Flex Ed 2023. That was the 3rd annual, and it is just getting better and better every year. Prison Rules was a hit. It made it 10 times more fun. I know that's not your typical RTI ramp rules, but it added a lot of excitement to the games. So we are bringing it back next year. Buena Vista, Colorado, Super Celebration 2024. Make sure you guys come out so you guys can participate or watch Flex Ed 2024. Big shout out to all of the sponsors that donated some epic prizes. We've listed them down below. Make sure you check out all of their stuff. Most of those guys, we do sell their stuff. With that said, in case you guys missed the last video with Keisha, we are doing a giveaway with Yankum ropes for this YouTube channel. You guys have until October 22nd to comment on that video or this video to be entered to win. So make sure you do so. All you have to do is leave a comment and you guys could win a 30-foot kinetic rope, 2 soft shackles, and I'm honestly forgetting some of the stuff that was in that giveaway. We're going to be giving away a 7/8 by 30-foot Yankum ropes. This is a kinetic rope. On top of that, they will be giving 2 of their soft shackles for you. They will also be giving away a bag to carry all of this in. It's definitely one that's worth leaving a comment on a video for. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content. And with all of that being said, we will see you guys out there on the trail. Peace!